Alright guys, so this is the kind of surprise at the Apple keynote, the iPhone XR, and I've managed to pick one up in this beautiful, beautiful red finish. This is what it looks like in the hand. It looks and feels very similar to the iPhone X, but obviously you can see there are updates hardware-wise. That finish comes in a range of different colors. Check that out. Really, really nice. I'll show you the blue in a moment as well. And you've got that single camera set up on the back.
This is the iPhone XR, absolutely stunning 6.1 inch liquid retina display. The glass, all screen. The aluminum band around the outside, absolutely stunning and color matched to the glass back. The details, such as the camera and some enclosures, absolutely stunning.
So we have the A12 Bionic chip in here as well as the other models as well.
Yeah, it's same A12 Bionic is in the XS and in the XS Max, which powers amazing experiences because it has the 8-core neural network, neural engine. So one example of this is the Blades game that was shown on stage. So this is this is console graphics made available for the first time really on an iPhone. And just, you know, some of the stuff to check out here because of the GPU, like the ability, the attention to detail and the ability to render like all these like shadows and like just the kind of how the light fractures, you know, through the window. Absolutely stunning. Wider stereo sound.
Okay,
and what it's actually doing is using noise canceling technology, essentially cross-canceling the left and the right, which essentially it makes it seem like the sound is coming from really like wider than the actual speakers are. You can't hear it in here because there's so much noise, but it really you'll see it like when you're in a smaller room by yourself. So some of these pictures are absolutely stunning. So you can see this is such an amazing photo. Just the colors are just absolutely beautiful. It just kind of shows off the entire package.
And with the A12 Bionic chip, we can still edit like some of the bokeh effects and
let me show you that actually. This is showing off kind of the ability to edit the depth of field. So this is like absolutely incredible. So you just tap edit, and here you see where the f-stop is. Yeah, and you can just slide that. So now it's in the most kind of blurred effect, and you can just edit that.
And this is all post.
This is all post. Yeah, this is exactly. This is all post. You hit done, and then it saves it and it renders it, you know, with a completely different f-stop. So this is the first thing that, you know, the first time that depth of field has been able to be changed without impacting exposure. So the 5.8 is the 10, and that's the XR 6.1. So it's kind of a great midpoint.
So this is if this is the iPhone X, and then we have the iPhone XR. Then the iPhone XS would sit here, right?
Same. The iPhone XS is the same.
Would be the same. iPhone XR, and then you have the iPhone XS Max on the end. And the other important point that was made is that this is an LCD display. But even having said that, I mean the iPhone X is an OLED display, and it's still an incredibly good display. And you can see viewing angles look very, very nice. The colors are vibrant, and we're in quite a sort of, you know, light-filled area as well, so you can see just how that looks.